Hi, introduce my name is Ashari. I will make a Luma key video using the Kinemaster application on Android. Check this out. First, we open the Kinemaster application that support the video layers. It looks like this. To make our project, open an empty project. Here there is media to enter the video you want to edit. The second way is to click the video, then click setting and then click the color filter. After that, click this. After that, click on color adjustment and then adjust the brightness. Then click the video again and then save the video. The third way is to click the video again and normalize the video like the original color adjustment. We turn back to 0. Enter the video that was saved to layer 2, then click the box icon and then select which part will be made the Luma key effect. Then we cut the video part that is not needed. Remember not to slide the video that we will create the Luma key effect. We will also cut the back of the video later in the middle of the video that we will create the Luma key effect and then enter the Luma key effect again into the video layer section in the master mode. Click the Luma key video and click the left side. There are 3 points. Then select the finished layer like this. Then click this blue video. Then click the format key and we active it like this. There you can set the color brightness as you like, then tick. Then click again on the blue video, then select color adjustment, then click brightness and slide it to the bottom. The fourth way, to click on the blue video earlier, then click setting in the animation and then select fade, and for the Luma key video you choose in animation, then select to fade to. Remember, the last video should not be parallel to the first and second videos. The last step is to click behind video, then click the exit animation and select it. Let's see the video result like this. I think it's enough for the video. That's enough for me. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you!